Good morning, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys enjoy this next video, so keep on watching. Good morning, welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing an unboxing for my Scentsy Kit. This big old box. So first is the welcome to the Scentsy Life. And it has this is the guide of the consult. Gives you a lot of information when you join and the steps like to get qualified and stuff. Next is this is the training guide. About the products, the diffuser, the air, all the, so you know which one is which, the items and stuff. And this, it says, congratulations on starting your Scentsy business. And you can visit Corporate Solutions Scentsy. Have a partnered provider. You get a solution for your personalized print tools. So you can print out your own personal cards, business cards. And it says, this one's welcome to the Scentsy family. Scentsy's always been a place where everyone has the opportunity to grow, accomplish great things. We're thrilled and humbled that you choose Scentsy. We cannot wait to see where your journey takes you. Love, Heidi and Orals. Fill your life with fragrance. Scentsy. Our mission is to bring value to the world by providing an industry-leading, family-friendly business opportunities, selling creative, artistic, high-quality products, the warmth of the heart, and revealing the sense of inspired soul. Scentsy, fill your life with fragrance. And then there's another card. You can join Sell with Amy for 4 months free trial when you start. So this is what it is in the welcome package. And then next is you get these. I don't know how many are there. There's 2, 3, 4. I don't know how many they come in here. And then next is your order forms. And so this is the Counter Clean Cloudberry Dreams. I think this is like to clean or like to spray your house to make it smell pretty. So there's that. And then I got the scents, blackberry, raspberry, vanilla. If I can open it. It smells so good. And then I got this more wax warmers in your lifestyle. It says, be part of the global community that spans 12 countries around the world. Enjoy the constant flow. Products and partnership companies people love like Disney. Get ongoing support. Training from Scentsy Home Office. We're with you every step of the way. It says Marvel, Disney, Star Wars, Looney Tunes, NHL, Wizarding World, Harry Potter, Justice League, DC. Officially licensed product makes the Scentsy life yours. So there's that. And then there's says hand cream Cloudberry Dreams. It's alright. Not my scent though, but it's you can smell the berry in it. And then next I got, I don't know what this is. Oh, it's the product list of everything that's on the products. And then, so I got this. I think it's all like the sample sets of the, for like different smells. So this one is Welcome Home. It's that one. I'm gonna show a few of them because there's a lot in here. This one's sea salt avocado. It's the samples of them, I think. This one is Mongolia linen. Smells good. There's vanilla bean buttercream. All these smell very good. This one's Lush Gardenia, I think. It smells like very cleany for your house. Oh, I cannot wait. And then that's the one I'll be doing. This one's clothing line. It does smell like clothing line though. It smells good. So, and it comes with all these little samples in this bag. And then, so, this bag. And then we got your warmer, I think. The Classic Curve Gloss Gray warmer. So, it is. This says instructions how to use it. Here's the top of it. And oh, it's a little cute. Oh, I cannot wait to start my little business. And hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you guys have any questions, let me know. To join right now is $25 a month. Not a month, to start. And yeah. And if you guys are interested, let me know in my comments. Or if you guys want to know, email me. My email will be in my description as well. If you have any other questions, let me know. Cannot wait to start using these amazing products and the smell of these two to use in my home. So thank you and hope you guys enjoy, and I'll talk to you guys later. Love you guys. Bye.